Wrap smarter and not harder with Tree-Z wraps. Tree-Z wraps are designed to save you time and frustration when wrapping Christmas lights around trees, columns, or banisters. You can deck out your tree in just a fraction of the time it used to take. No more endless spirals or tangles. Just wrap, snap, and admire your handiwork. When the holidays are over, removing your lights is just as easy. No hassle, no headache. Your time is precious, and we believe decorating should be fun, not a workout. Save time, save energy, and spend more time enjoying the season with Tree-Z Wrap. Available at christmasdesigners.com.